I'd like to start off by saying bakuchiol. And the reason why is it's one of the ingredients in this face serum that I had to look up the pronunciation, practice, and I wanted to get it down before I forget it. And if I mess up later, I can just reference back to bakuchiol. And that is how it's supposed to sound, you guys. And I do need to start by saying this is all about the face serum by 8-Bit Beard Co. Now, beard is in the name of the company. This is not a beard oil. This is not for beard hair or the skin under beard hair. But Dan, it's a face serum. Beard's on my face. This is for the skin on your face that does not have facial hair. Period. End of story. Very, very simple. And shout out to 8-Bit. Now, to begin, I always try to be as transparent and as quick about it as I can. DanC10 is your affiliate discount code with this company. If you guys would like to save some money, I do get a small commission on every sale when you use my code or my link. You don't have to use either. I genuinely believe in this company and their products. I help them a lot. It's something I'm very proud of, and I'm hopeful that you guys enjoy this company as much as I do. Of course, leave any comments down below about 8-Bit. But we're going to talk all about this because it is a different kind of product that I don't know many or if any other beard product companies are making a face serum. And so I want to talk about the ingredients, the how to use it, all the stuff that I think you guys should know because I have been using this for about a month now myself. So this again is for the skin on your face that is not your beard. So under your eyes, your nose, your forehead, the sides over here. That is the intention. Now, what it's for is to smooth your face out and kind of like ease those aging lines. It's supposed to be able to help your face not look as old. And as we get old, we know we got to start taking care of our skin more and more and more. And it's something that I've really committed to over the last couple of years. With the help of this beard journey, it changed my deodorant, my toothpaste, and now it's changing my face serum. And I will say, I have for years used beard oil on my face, and that's fantastic. Way better than nothing. But this is dialed in and specifically made for a face serum. The owner, Sean of 8-Bit, is a wildly intelligent guy. He actually took courses to learn all about this face serum and the different ingredients and how they work with the skin and aging and smoothing out those lines and wrinkles. So he took this very seriously. It wasn't that he just threw some oils together. It wasn't that he just did a little bit of research. He took courses on this specifically. Now, I want to tell you guys the ingredients and a little bit about them. The first one is golden jojoba. And the second one is squalene oil from olives, plant-based. Both of those are supposed to be a perfect marriage of mimicking our natural sebum oil. That is something that's huge because it wants to be able to still maintain sebum oil, still go through the natural process, and not replace it, but enhance it. Now it gets really interesting and ingredients that I don't know as much about outside of researching them to use this product and for this video, of course. And that is when we get in, and also pomegranate seed oil. That one's just so good for your skin. I believe it has like antioxidant properties. It's just really, really awesome. And this is a lightweight blend. So it's not going to be heavy. It's not going to be sitting on the skin. It's going to be fast absorbing, nice and thin viscosity. So outside of the pomegranate seed oil, we have that oil that I said at the beginning. Back, I don't even remember. Refer back to the beginning. I'll put it on the screen, I'm sure. And then you also have CoQ10. Now, I've heard that because I have a wife. That ingredient is massive in the women's industry for products, and I still don't know the most about it. I'm not going to act like I'm a scientist on this stuff or an expert on this stuff or I've spent 7-8 years really. I don't know those two. But I do know that they're supposed to be some of the very best things you can have for anti-aging and for taking care of your skin. And that is so huge. And then outside of there, vitamin E to preserve it. And then there is a essential oil premium blend, and it is a sweet orange blend. Now, I get a little bit of orange when I smell it out of the bottle, but when I put it on my face, it's not something that I'm like, oh my gosh, this is orange scented. This is something that is for the scent. That's just kind of to make it a little bit more appealing. So for me, I use this on a clean face only. That just seems to make sense. After my nighttime shower, I do apply this, and it says start by washing your face and then dispense 2 to 4 drops. So I don't know about the drops, I just do 1 pump. That has been enough for me. I put it on my fingertips, I massage it in, and then I go to bed. When I wake up in the morning, my skin feels soft. I don't know if this is the appropriate word for it, but it feels supple. It feels like it's just nice. I've never had clogged pores. I've never had anything negative with it. It just feels like my skin is being treated and treated appropriately. So if you're somebody that's like, yeah, man, I am kind of like content in myself and really exploring better skin health, better overall health, better looks. I got the beard oil. I changed my deodorant. The next step for me was the face serum, and I love that it's a company that we can support. Also, if you were to find an equivalent to this face serum, just look at the price per ounce and compare them. I can almost guarantee you this is going to blow it out of the water by its value. It's just so much less than what we see in the female industry. Just something if you want to do a little bit more research. So down below, do you have any questions about the face serum? I'm sure you do. Do you have any questions about my experience, about the product ingredients, anything, or have you tried it? People have already been repeat customers on this that I know personally because it was so awesome for them. Let me know down below, comments, questions, experiences, anything at all. Thank you guys for watching today. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.